So how was your trip?
Saturdays are very busy for me. छुट्टी होती है ना लोगों की.
Our walking was
हाँ. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and namaste to all our viewers from India and from across the globe. We bring you another episode of the show. The guest of the evening is a very interesting personality, as you will get to know in a few minutes. But before that, let me quickly introduce to you the moderator of the evening, which is Vardhan Dharkar. Vardhan wears several hats. Currently, he is heavily into marathons. I would not be surprised if in the morning today in the morning he has done a half marathon or a full marathon, and then in the evening he is as what is the correct word, sprightly as ever, and as dapper as ever, with his smile. So that's Vardhan Dharkar for you. And now the guest of the evening, that is Dr. Kavita Kabira for you. Uh,
Hmm.
Let me do a quick introduction of Kavita, and then I'll move out of the frame and let Kavita and Vardhan take it forward. Dr. Kavita Kabira is a highly regarded high achiever psychologist, emotional health coach, and mental health and couple therapist with over 20 years of experience in helping individuals, leaders, and organizations master emotional resilience, relational intelligence, and high performance psychology. Specializing in inner healing, corporate well being, and productivity through emotional intelligence, Dr. Kabira bridges the gap between psychology and leadership, personal healing, and professional excellence. Kavita is also an author and speaker. Her works include Moments of Letting Go, Beyond Love, The Secrets of Mandela, and a Hindi poetry book, Abhikavya. So that's Kabira, Kavita Kabira for you. And now over to you, Vardhan and Kavita Kabira, to take this forward.
thank you so much, Sanjay, for your introduction. Uh, Namaste to all our viewers in Bharat and outside of Bharat. Welcome to yet another episode of the show. And today we have indeed a very interesting personality, Dr. Kavita Kabira. Thank you very much, Kavita, for joining and coming on our the show. It's our privilege. Let's begin our discussion.
Yes, sure. Thank you for having me over, Sanjay Chandra ji and Vardhan ji. Thank you so much. I'm glad to be a part of this.
Uh, uh, Before we go to your writing journey as an author and a poet, I just wanted to ask you one question. Is that you are a psychologist. I wanted to know is whether yoga and meditation plays any role in making sure that individuals face their psychological issues much more better way. And do you recommend that as part of your therapy?
Yes, I do. I do. And not only yoga, anything that is good for fitness, which is good for body, is good for mind. It goes hand in hand. I mean, anything, not only yoga, meditation. Of course, meditation and yoga is much more vital when it comes to mental health because deep breathing से आप अपना parasympathetic nervous system open कर देते हैं. So you basically start tipping on oxygen in today's language. So the more the oxygen reaches your brain, the more parasympathetic nervous system opens up, and the more your frontal lobes, cortex, logical brain starts, uh, playing. So yeah, it is very good. Everything is good, whatever you do.
Perfect. So that means that all of us should daily practice yoga and meditation as part of our overall fitness regime to make sure that
Yes.
we face the world in a better fashion.
Yes. If you can't do yoga, if you like fitness, some of you like Zumba, some of the people would like salsa. You do whatever makes you happy. Point is happiness, but just do deep breathing. If you don't do yoga, if you can't meditate, deep breathing is something that every day, once a day, twice a day, everyone should consciously deep breathe. Yeah.
Perfect. I think that's something which I wanted to understand. Maybe I will start practicing it more seriously than what I have been doing. So coming to your journey as an author, I wanted to understand is that you are an author as well as a co-author. So I wanted to
Yeah.
understand, how do you work as a co-author? What are the advantages? What are the challenges that you face when you are being a co-author with somebody else? How coordination happens? All of that.
So, I started writing when I was in 8th standard. मेरी पहली अपनी poem लिखी थी. It was like a candle we burn at both ends, always burning something, something. I don't remember it now, but the idea was that I had seen, I was, Diwali thi and I saw a candle burning from both ends. At times would linkla hota hai na usme se. So that was my first inspiration and I wrote that poetry and then I wrote an essay which got selected and I won 500 rupees and then I started writing because I earned money out of it. Then. So then I started writing, and then I've been writing my first book. The draft I finished when I was in college, and that was fiction. So since then, I've written a lot of poetry. In fact, these are only 4 books. I've written one more book of poetry in English, which is Beyond Love, and my poetry has been published in couple of books. When we come to co-authoring, so authoring is obviously you write when you want to write and what you want to write. When it comes to co-author, it's slightly more exciting and challenging because there are two people or how many ever people, sometimes there are more than one author in the book. So आपको उनके भी nuances और ego और बहुत सारी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रख के, because everybody is writing and writing is your baby. So obviously आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. And जो मैंने बुक लिखा था, The Secrets of Mandala, so I had co-authored with the artist because I don't know how to paint. But I started learning mandala, and mandala is again something which is very closely connected to mental health. So I started learning mandala, and then I realized that it really made a lot of change in my lifestyle. I started getting a little calmer as a person. Otherwise, I would have been also speaking with इससे भी ज़्यादा speed होती मेरी बोलने की. I love to talk. So that's a profession I'm into. So it had made me a calmer person. And there are a lot of mandalas which come from our Vedic science. They're very ancient. And Buddhist monasteries, they have these system of various mandalas and mandalas for anxiety, mandalas for a lot of things. So I was really fascinated by this and I thought I should write about it and let people know that what is the origin and all. So this was my part of co-authoring, and I've also in fact, I've written as a ghost author also. So I've couple of books I've written like that. So then there is again this challenge when you're a ghost or author that आपको बहुत बार लगता है कि यार it's like being a surrogate mother. आपको बहुत बार लगता है कि यार लिखा तो मैंने है, and it's such a nice it comes with its own feeling of slight envy and things because you kind of do not get the whole credit of what you're and being an author is like being a musician or any performing artist for that matter because you're creating something और फिर आपको इट्स लाइक अगर आपको लगता है कि ये मेरी क्रिएशन है और उसका आपको क्रेडिट नहीं मिलता है तो आपको थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं खराब लगता है so all these 3 things have their own challenges and but the plus point is the ghost author gives you money, co-author gives you some money and some credit, and author being an author gives you probably no money, but it gives you a lot of satisfaction. Yeah.
So what do you prefer, being an author or a ghost author?
Everything. I want to do everything in life.
Perfect.
I mean, I can become an author only when I have money to do something which gives me no money, I think.
So ghost author helps you to become author.
Yes, it does. And of course, then my work, yeah. बट या आई थिंक दुनिया में मुझे लगता है कि जो चीजें आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है ना करनी जिसे जो आप बड़े मन से करते हो वो आपको मॉनेटरी या मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजें नहीं देती है मुझे ऐसे लगता है पर्सनली लाइक व्हेन यू फॉलो योर पैशन आई थिंक बहुत लकी लोग होते होंगे जो पैशन फॉलो करके रिच हो जाते और या फिर उतना so I believe money is a currency coupon currency code to walk under the sun. तो उतना पैसा आपके पास होना चाहिए जो आपको कन्वीनियंस लेके आए जो आपको एटलीस्ट यू ऑफ कोर्स एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू नीड ब्रेड ऑन द टेबल तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत कम लोग होते हैं सो इफ यू हैव अ पैशन एंड इफ यू हैव टू वर्क बिसाइड्स टू फॉलो दैट पैशन व्हाई नॉट
Absolutely.
सतगुरु भी तो यही करते हैं
Absolutely. So, you know, last 3 or 4 months, I have observed that there are at least, I think, 3 psychologists who appeared on the show. So I was just wondering whether writing comes naturally to the psychologist.
Writing, yeah. I think yeah, हो सकता है, because reading and writing both. Because it's not only reading तो आएगा या पढ़ोगे, and psychology such thing. I think psychology का कोई भी medical line ऐसा होता है that it never, you cannot stop studying in it. Because it keeps evolving, it keeps changing. Today there is something that you follow. Today you follow Freud. Tomorrow something else. It come from Jung or something like that. So आपको पढ़ते तो रहना ही पड़ता है. And being a psychologist, you have to be observant. You have to understand human emotions. You have to. So automatically, I think that part opens up because you meet so many people. कुछ तो चीजें आपने खुद experience की होती हैं. कुछ आप लोगों से सुनते हो. So you are experiencing a very 360-degree life. So I think, yeah, there is a possibility that they connect.
I think for you, naturally, there every day you are meeting patients with different issues and different challenges that they face. That you get various ideas to write your book.
Yeah. In fact, I'm working on one which is अभी temporary. मैंने उसको नाम दिया है. I've started calling it the listening wall. So I'm working on one which is closely inspired by my own. Uh, um, if I call them patients, then I call everyone patient, and I call myself also patient, because then it's inspired by our illnesses and problems of life. Because I don't think people are patients. I think people are. I mean, with all due respect, because मैं भी ऐसा बोलती हूँ कभी कभी. But when I think deeply, it's not about any illness. I think it's about the experiences of life which probably design a person. And sometimes जो design में थोड़ी error हो जाती है, तो maybe just kind of go back and stitch it again that way.
Okay. Okay. So now coming to your journey as an author, before that, I think I wanted to know more about you as a poet. You said that you started writing at the age of 8, and then you have continued.
Eighth standard. It
Eighth
is eight.
standard. Okay. Eighth
Yeah.
standard. So you have started writing. So I wanted to know more about your poems and how do you get those ideas, what challenges you face, and how easy it is to write a poem as compared to a novel.
This is not the first time somebody's asked me, and I think ये सबसे मुझे बड़ा मुश्किल question लगता है. I don't know. It just comes to me, and I'm a very sad writer. You know, मैंने ना so when I have a daughter, she's 17-year-old. So when she was born, I used to think यार ये तो बड़ा सोचेगी यार मेरी मम्मी तो बड़ी sad औरत है. And she's always writing sad poetry, sad ये वो. So मैं डायरी में लिखा था बुक के आगे ना, dear Kavya, it is not that I'm a sad person, but my poetries will look like little darker. So I don't know, it comes naturally. I think it's my coping. It's probably long back it became my coping mechanism to probably channelize my um, darker side. There was a time when I've myself been through, how do I say, I think everybody goes through phases, tough and nicer ones.
Yeah.
So I, whenever I've been through tough phases, I've written well, better, and I think it's inspired by weaker moments in life. Maybe I can say so to speak.
So compared to novels, why is it that poetry doesn't sell that much and you don't find or you don't get recognition and credit as much as a poet should get?
इसका कोई सही जवाब तो नहीं होगा शायद, बट मुझे
No,
लगता
your
है,
view, your opinion.
या माय व्यू, मुझे लगता है कि कंपेयर टू फिक्शन, देखो सबसे ज्यादा सेल करता है सेल्फ हेल्प ना, कभी कभी इजीली आई वुड से, नॉट ज्यादा, because it's a easy read. I mean, you just say something, people read, people give your view, your view is taken, not taken. Fiction is easy to read because it's a story, है ना. आप उसके साथ फिर आप बन जाते हो एक्टर के साथ ना, फिर आप उसकी लाइफ की जर्नी साथ साथ चलते हो. इट्स लाइक मूवी. इट्स लाइक गाना क्यों नहीं हम बार बार स्पेशली लगा के टीवी पे गाना नहीं देखते, बहुत कम लोग देखते हैं, मूवी लगा के देखते हैं स्पेशली, बिकॉज हम एक स्टोरी फॉलो करते हैं, उसके साथ बन जाते हैं. गाना इज अ मोमेंट एंड सो इज पोइट्री, इट्स अ मोमेंट. जो वो मोमेंट के साथ मोमेंट बांधना ना बहुत मुश्किल है. इट इज लाइक, दैट इज व्हाई आई थिंक इट्स वेरी ऑर्गेनिक. आप एक पोएट पढ़ते हो, और अगर आप वो मोमेंट में हो कि आप उस मोमेंट में उस पोएट के साथ कनेक्ट कर गए, तो वो आपका फेवरेट पोएट हो जाएगा। इट्स लाइक आप एक मोमेंट में बैठे हो और आपने गुलजार का एक पोएट्री सुन लिया, तो आपको वो बढ़िया लग गया, फिर आपने देखा कि यार अच्छा, आई विल सी व्हाट एल्स इज रिटन, या आपने पाब्लो नेरुदा की पोएट्री पढ़ी एंड देन यू सी ओके डूड, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा लिखा है इसने, अब और क्या लिखता है ये। पर वो पहला कनेक्ट ना पोएट्री के साथ मुझे लगता है इट्स ऑर्गेनिक। That is why I think you have to have some kind of sensitivity to be inclined towards reading or writing poetry. This is a personal view.
Yeah,
So
perfect.
story padna is more, it's more of a choice. I think
Yes.
poetry comes naturally to you. It's like,
Okay.
I think.
So maybe I would like to know a couple of poems which you have written which are very
Oh my
close to
God.
you.
मैं तो आई वुड मुझे तो पढ़ के सुनाऊं क्या एक?
Yes.
मैंने खोल के नहीं रखा। आप 2 मिनट मुझे और कुछ पूछ लो, तब तक 2 मिनट लगेंगे ढूंढने में।
No
I'll
problem. Take
my
it.
email.
Because then after poems, I want to go to your book and your novels.
Okay, I'll just give me 1 minute then. मैं तो वेट करती हूँ कोई मुझसे पूछे सही कि पढ़ना जरा थोड़ी सी।
This is what surprises. We don't want to give any information prior to the show.
या यस यस, थोड़ा सा ढूंढ के रखना चाहिए था मुझे। आई शुड हैव बीन प्रोएक्टिव। ओके सो ओके सो जो मुझे मिल गई है मैं एक पढ़ देती हूँ, सो दैट यू गेट होल्ड ऑफ व्हाट आई राइट। Love like mine is not a river. No, it's not an ocean either. It's a little raindrop that splashes on your face, refreshes you, and trickles down your brow. It doesn't stay still. It doesn't drain down the poles, but it splashes, jumps, tickles, smiles, giggles, mixes with those tears in your eyes, and disappear inside you forever. Love like mine is not whiskey, sipped little by little, in the sinful pleasures of dark night silently, and then puked out in the crystal white basin. Love like mine is fresh beer, sipped in the sun on a cozy summer afternoon and to be taken to bed. That's one.
Beautiful. Really beautiful. And thank you so much for reading it for all of us over here. Thank you so much. And I
एक
hope
मैं
that
आपको
you...
हिंदी में भी पढ़ के सुना देती हूँ। अब
Oh,
आपने मुझे इतना जोर दे रहे हैं आप लोग तो। I thought I wanted to read in Hindi also then one.
yeah.
So, मुझे काले अक्षर की तरह पढ़ा करता है वो, और समझता है कि अंधेरे से भरा हूं मैं। मेरे टूटे हुए पंखों का गुलाबी नहीं देखा, मेरी चाल की चमकती चमक नहीं देखी, मेरे सुनहरे टूटे नाखून, मेरा बैंगनी चटक चुंबन, मेरी आधी सोई हुई आंखें, नीली पीली चादर की सिलवटें, उम्मीद की वो लाल किरण, तुमसे मिलने की हरी गर्म आग सी ललक, कुछ भी नहीं देखा, कुछ भी नहीं देखा तुमने। सब रंग मिलाकर मैंने जो दर्द का स्याह काला रंग बनाया, सिर्फ वही पढ़ पाए और मेरा नाम अंधेरा रख दिया।
wow. Beautiful. I think now I must read all the poems that you have written. I will do that.
बोल
I
दीजिए
will
कि
do
और नहीं पढ़ना है।
that.
Yeah.
Okay. So now coming to your journey as an author, your book, Few Moments of Letting Go. Maybe if you
Yeah.
can talk about it, what that book is all about, and who are the main protagonists and everything. We would love to know from you.
Moments of Letting Go is very close to my heart. I wouldn't say it's an autobiography, but obviously वो मेरा पहला किताब था। And when you have your first, when I think मुझे ऐसा लगा, तो मुझे लगता है सबको ऐसे लगता होगा, मे बी आई एम रॉन्ग, बट जब आप फर्स्ट बुक लिखते हैं तो आप अपने एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग से बहुत कुछ लेके आते हैं उस किताब में, बिकॉज इट्स योर बुक एंड यू वांट टू टेल थिंग्स दैट आर विद इन यू. So I think it has slight autobiographical element, I would say, but of course it's my autobiography, and there's a protagonist who goes through the world and makes her journey and deals with different things, different aspects of life, and comes around after dealing with a lot of them. So it's a story of a woman who has different experiences in life and how she faces them and how she comes out strong and all that.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So maybe if you can read a passage from it.
Oh my God, no, I do not have it, Ram.
Acha, you don't have it, that's okay. Then it's okay.
Yeah.
No issues. No issues.
Yeah. Oh,
No
but I would
issues
have
at
loved
all.
to. I would have loved to. I mean, that's very close to heart, but that let some other time maybe. Yeah.
Perfect. So now, what are your future plans as an author, as a poet, as a co-author, as a ghost author? In all of these next 12 months or 24 months, what should we expect from you?
I think once an author, always an author. आपने एक बार लिखना शुरू कर दिया तो छोड़ता नहीं है पेन आपको, मुझे लगता है ना, आप तो लिखते ही रहते हो आप और पढ़ते ही रहते हो अब। और I'm like I said, I'm working on one of the books which is more inspired by a lot of people and a lot of experiences, a lot of stories. So it'll come out with a lot of stories, small stories into how people go through lives, various people. It'll have uh, more than one character. And then poetry, I will keep writing. मैं लिखती रहती हूँ. I'm part of the poetry group ने कल ही लिखा है एक. And ghost author थोड़ा मुझे time अब कम लगता है because I have I'm fully practicing therapy. So it takes a lot of my time. So I do not take full big like I mean I've done historical ghost authors and all, so they take a lot of research and a lot of time. So I don't take those assignments anymore. But yeah, co-author, maybe if I like something, I will get into it. But mostly, yeah, psychology, mental health, and poetry, and of course the book. Yeah, I'll do everything.
You will do everything. So
Yeah.
next 12 months and next 24 months, we should expect a lot from you.
A book, I think, yeah, yes, you
You
should. 24th, so yes, definitely. My goal is to come out within this year. But yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you talked about this book, The Secrets of Mandala. I
Hmm.
wanted to understand this concept of mandala. What is it?
तो मंडाला कैसे होता है ना, इट्स वेरी मैथमेटिकल आई थिंक। आपको शायद पता होगा या नहीं, पता नहीं, पर एक यूनिवर्स इज डिजाइन, so our universe is all based on mathematics and very 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 precise. मुझे तो एक्चुअली लगता है कभी कभी दैट इट्स अ प्री डिजाइन मैट्रिक्स, यू नो, दोस थ्योरीज एंड ऑल. सो आई खैर वो तो इट्स hypothesis, but so there is this number, the golden ratio, and then there is Fibonacci sequence. So in the universe, the universal maths, there is no, it's always 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5. So there is no 4, there will be no pattern 4, say natural patterns. So there are these, they work in Fibonacci sequence and everything is numbered. From there, this concept of mandala, concept of yantras, आपने देखा होगा ना, लक्ष्मी यंत्र,
Yeah,
कुबेर
yeah.
यंत्र, ये वो सब ग्रहों के, सब चीजों के यंत्र हैं, सब देवता वगैरह के. So those yantras are also mandalas. So
Okay.
mandala is nothing but it's a scientific, mathematical, precisely drawn diagram that aligns with whatever it is aligned with, as in that aligns with mathematically with something. So
Okay.
you can put that mathematical reference on paper and worship that thing, particular thing, or that emotion. Because ऐसा कहते हैं ना कि हर कुछ का frequency है. जैसे निकोला टेस्ला, जो मुझ बड़े साइंटिस्ट थे, आइंस्टाइन भी बोलते हैं इनफैक्ट, but Nikola Tesla is my personal favorite. So वो कहते थे ना कि everything in this universe is based on numbers and frequency. The universe only understands language of frequency and pattern, number and pattern माने. So all your emotions are also not that they've kind of really proven it, but they believe it, that every frequency, जैसे आप कोई भी म्यूजिक चलाओगे तो उसका एक वो होगा ना, नोट.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So all emotions also come on a frequency, and that frequency has a note. So that note is aligned with those mandalas, and that's how they, when you draw them, the color ka frequency, diagram ka frequency, mathematics. So it's a mathematical science, and
Okay.
essentially it comes from our own India, our own
Okay.
science, Indian Vedas and this the yantras and all. So it's the origin happens with us, and we only
Okay.
don't use it, sadly.
Oh, okay. I think that's something which I will now spend some time in studying.
Oh, it's
So,
lovely. It did make a change in my life. It
okay.
did. मैंने तो इनफैक्ट बहुत कम किया है, so I'm wondering कि जो लोग बहुत करते होंगे उनके लाइफ में तो काफी चेंज
Yeah,
होता
yeah,
होगा,
yeah.
बिकॉज आप ना आप अब आप वो अच्छा, एक और चीज मैं आप मेंशन करना चाहती हूँ कि दो चीज होती है, एक होता है डूडलिंग और एक होता है मंडाला।
Uh-huh.
अभी आजकल बाहर वो मिलते हैं ना, डूडलिंग भी बहुत अच्छा होता है, नॉट नो नो नथिंग, कुछ तो आदमी करे, मतलब मंडाला नहीं कर रहा है,
Yeah.
डूडलिंग कर डूडलिंग क्या होता है, वो जो रेडीमेड मिलते हैं ना बुक्स, कलरिंग करते हैं
Uh,
जब हम,
yeah.
तो दैट इज ऑल्सो मेडिटेटिव। आप क्या करते हो ना, आप वो कलर करते जाते हो तो आप उसमें ही
Mm.
घुस जाते हो, तो योर
Mm.
माइंड बिकम्स थॉटलेस,
Okay.
एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू
Yes.
नीड।
Yeah.
वी आर ऑल ओवर
Okay.
थिंकर्स।
Okay. Perfect. So, Sanjay, do we have time for rapid fire?
हाँ भर
Please go ahead and please don't offer her any hampers.
Perfect. Okay. Perfect. So,
दैट्स नॉट
Kavita,
फेयर।
we also have a rapid fire round, and we would love to have you on that.
आई
So,
हेट दैट।
so first question first is that being an author or a ghost author?
Oh, author.
Author.
And
So that's the first. Your favorite poet apart from yourself?
Gulzar, and
Gulzar.
Pablo. Yeah.
Okay. And your favorite author?
Paulo Coelho, I love. Rohinton Mystery also, I love.
Okay. Then, if you were not an author, what you would have been?
Psychologist.
That's very easy. That's not.
Oh my God, I don't know. Scientist, maybe. Yeah,
Scientist. Okay. Mandala scientist.
I don't know. No, scientist. I wanted to be one. I couldn't. I didn't know how to
Okay.
become one. Whereas,
Okay.
yeah.
And your favorite traveling destination?
None, New Zealand. Yeah, I
New
want to see the
Zealand.
Northern Lights. Ireland, sorry. Northern Lights होता है ना, Ireland में शायद. Northern Lights I want to see.
Iceland.
Northern. Okay. That is Scandinavia.
Okay,
Perfect.
there.
Perfect. So, Kavita, you have come out with 100% marks in our rapid fire, and you win a gift hamper from Sanjay.
Okay.
So, Sanjay,
So that's not fair. Okay, so now actually I would need to spend a lot more than that because I'm so stressed now that I'll have to go and seek her help,
Why?
consultation.
Ah,
So,
come.
so
And
yeah,
no, but it's okay. We can all gift each other India's win today. Let's pray India jeet jaye. Match hai na aaj.
that's right. That's
That'll be a
right.
gift.
yeah, yeah.
That'll be a gift.
So I have a question, Kavita. See, I I personally believe that we all must have been facing several issues in our lives since times immemorial. So, is
Hmm.
it what is it that has brought about this awareness about these issues, mental health issues now? Or is it
That's
that
a
it has increased now in the fast-paced life that we are leading?
I don't think so. I'm not sure because I do not have the numbers and statistically, research wise. But yes, it did increase. It on the face value has increased. I don't know whether it was there पहले, क्योंकि पहले रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता था होगा और पता नहीं, पर मुझे लगता है हमेशा होगा क्योंकि जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा भी एक चीज होती है. We've
Right.
definitely passed it on. But it's a lovely question. I think why it is coming on the faces because loneliness is increasing. हम कुछ भी कर लें, अभी हम लैपटॉप पे ही बात कर रहे हैं एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, एंड वंस आई पुट डाउन द लैपटॉप आई एम बैक अलोन. वी द कम्युनिटी थिंग इज गोइंग अवे, एंड लोनलीनेस, like I always tell my clients also that and I've also, there's a phase that I know loneliness has been a friend to me as well. It doesn't go once it comes, it stays, it goes, it visits, revisits. I think it's coming on the face because loneliness is a window to healing. आपकी हड्डी टूटेगी तभी तो आप डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे ना. तो नहीं, तब तक दर्द होता रहेगा, आप दर्द सहते रहोगे, करते रहोगे काम की, यार हम तो बूढ़े हो रहे हैं, हम ये हो रहा है, हम वो हो रहा है, हम चलते रहेंगे. पर जब हड्डी टूट ही जाएगी तो जाना ही पड़ेगा। तो अब हमने अपनी सोसाइटी को उस स्टेज पे लाके खड़ा कर दिया दैट वी आर ब्रेकिंग बोन्स mentally, so to speak.
Right, right.
We're breaking bones because we are leaving each other so alone. Families are getting nuclear. Getting क्या हो ही गई हैं अभी तो. Families have become nuclear. People have become more global. Somebody is living US, somebody is living there, somebody. COVID has given it was like last nail on the coffin. People couldn't go visit funerals also for the loved ones.
Yeah.
So the more we become alone, the more we'll become alone, we'll run towards healing. And
Right.
it will definitely come on the face.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so that's really nice. I mean, yeah, it's a good insight into an issue which is, which is all of us have it at some point of the time or the other, and some of us probably are not aware or are too. We attach a stigma to it to actually seek help.
हाँ
Uh,
अभी भी करते हैं लोग, they come and say that nobody knows, nobody knows, but then the other people also, they will tell everyone, they will give you testimonials also, but there are some people who will want to help others but they can't help because they don't want to tell that they are seeking
right,
help.
right,
अभी
right,
भी है, पर नहीं होना चाहिए, पता है, आई नहीं होना चाहिए because it's very human. We should it should come from a place that we need each other. It's the WHO ने डिक्लेयर करा है कि आने वाले दिनों में one of the pandemics will be mental health illnesses.
right,
So and I am here not speaking about disorders. हम सब में है. संजय जी एक बात बताइए. COVID was a time when the whole world had OCD.
right. Yeah, very
So
true.
it's only about, है ना, a whole world developed OCD. Everybody
Right,
was like, oh my God, any touch, any touch. What is that? OCD only, na?
right,
So obsessive cleanliness disorder. So it's only what hurts you. आपको पहले से एक हाथ में शायद आपकी हाथ में थोड़ी विटामिन की कमी है और उसी हाथ में आपको एक्सीडेंट हो गया तो आपकी हड्डी जल्दी टूटेगी,
right,
चोट ज्यादा लगेगी.
right.
तो वो बस दैट इज द थिंग.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. And so, on that note, I think we close today's episode, and it was a wonderful and insightful episode with Kavita. Please do read her books also. Please get in touch with her also. She is a very vivacious young lady, and it's always a pleasure for me to interact with her.
Me
And
too, me too. And I hope I've given everyone else chance to speak.
yeah, and in fact, those who could
The
not
idea
join
was that only you should speak.
So, and actually, we have also recorded this episode, and we'll be sharing it on my YouTube channel and share the link on my various social media handles and share with you also, so that you could
I
also
will share
share
it
it.
on my YouTube as well.
Sure, sure. That will be really
Yeah.
nice. And so that's it. And once again, thank you very much, Kavita. Thank you, Vardhan, for a wonderful episode. Have a safe evening. Please do not get swayed by the India-Pakistan match. I mean, matches will come and matches will go, but we are going to be there. And wish you all the best for your future endeavors, Kavita. Uh,
Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Namaste, and all the best, Kavita, for your future endeavors.
So much for having me over. Thanks.
Bye-bye.